Hi guys, it's me Reta from Bali. Hi, welcome to EnglishVit. So my name is Mareta Christianiteyuf, but you can call me Reta, okay? So I'm here to be your partner to learn English together. We're gonna learn about how to have conversation in English, and also we're going to learn about some tenses, basic English. So for those of you who are newbies and want to learn about the basic skills, just reach me out, okay? In EnglishVit, we have regular classes and we have private classes too. So I hope I can meet you in one of those classes, yeah? And please do not call me like miss or ma'am or teacher or something like that. So just call me Reta. Maybe if you're younger than me, then you can call me Kak if you want to. But yeah, feel free to call me Reta, yeah? So I've been working in this area for more than a year now. And I can't wait to share my ability with you guys.
Di ruang tamu, ayo. Gimana bahasa Inggrisnya? Nonton TV apa?
Oh, watch.
Iya, pinter. I watch TV. Ruang tamu apa?
Living room.
Iya.
Living room.
Iya, living room. Is it hot today in your place, Cairo?
Cold. Cold.
Oh, cold.
Cold.
My tutor is Kak Reta. She is cool and really nice person. She knows how to make the class more interesting. She is smart. She knows how to deliver her knowledge in a good way. I almost fully understand of what everything she said.
Class are also very interactive. We are not only giving theory, but we are also invited to participate so that we can further hone our skills in English. The tutor is also very good, friendly, and always helpful. Thanks to Kak Reta.
So thank you very much for watching. And I can't wait to see you in the class. Bye bye. Stay healthy, yeah. Bye.